Imagine a world where your thoughts are no longer private. Can AI really read your mind? Welcome to the AI revolution, where the line between science fiction and reality blurs. The spotlight today is on DeWave, a mind-reading AI system from Australian researchers that's turning silent thoughts into text. So how does DeWave make this possible? Well, it all starts with an EEG cap, a nifty headgear adorned with tiny electrodes. These electrodes are strategically placed on your scalp to record neural activity and eye movements, forming a unique neural fingerprint. The real marvel unfolds when DeWave matches these EEG patterns with eye fixations that signify the recognition of specific words. This information is then utilized to output full thoughts, a translation of your brainwaves into text. While the accuracy is not perfect yet, the potential of DeWave is massive. Imagine, with the expected improvements in precision, we could be looking at leaps in assistive technology. DeWave could revolutionize how those with speech or motor impairments communicate, transforming silent thoughts into tangible words. It's a fascinating glimpse into the future. Think of it as a new frontier of AI in assistive technology. The neuroscience X AI revolution is just beginning. As we delve deeper into the brain's enigmatic wiring, AI systems like DeWave could unlock new avenues in communication, health, and education. Imagine technology that can directly interpret your thoughts or detect early signs of neurological disorders. The potential is vast, the applications promising. I, for one, can't wait to witness the incredible advancements that lie ahead. That wraps up our exploration into the world of mind-reading AI. We've journeyed through the workings of DeWave, its potential, and the exciting future it heralds. If you're as thrilled as I am, don't hesitate to hit like, subscribe, and join the conversation below. Stay tuned for the next tech adventure, and until then, stay curious.